Hello students, welcome back to English class. In our today's English class, we are going to study the third chapter of your text, The Brave Act. This story is about a boy named Brit who is very brave, and this story describes that how painful situation he was suffering. He was having a painful situation and yet he was brave. So let's study in detail. Take out your textbook and read along with me. It's you behind that newspaper, isn't it? Asked Sam one Sunday morning. On a Sunday morning, Sam, this old uncle, is asking Brit that it's you behind that Sunday newspaper, isn't it? आप छुपे हुए हो ना न्यूज़पेपर के पीछे, ऐसा सैम अंकल ब्रिट को पूछते हैं. I was hidden behind the outside Sunday special, that big outside newspaper I was hiding behind and I was reading. How do you do it, Brit? आप कैसे करते हो? How do you do it? I emerged. He's giggling, 12-year-old. That boy is 12-year-old and he has started giggling. Giggling means laughing slowly. So he is laughing. How do you do what? How do you do what? What are you asking? Live. You seem to be quite happy. Are you? आप कैसे रह सकते हो? आप कैसे जी रहे हो? इतना हैप्पी लग रहे हो. You seem to be quite happy. Are you? Are you really happy or you are just pretending to be happy? Of course I am happy, I said indigently. Of course I am happy. I am not sad, I said in an angry manner. In a anger manner. I mean, if you weren't happy, it was like flunking your exams. I mean, if you were not happy, it was like the passing of your exam. Here, the Brit is asked by Sam that are you happy or not, and the Brit is answering that I am happy. Or is it just your brave act? Are you really happy or are you pretending and behaving as if you are a brave boy? Smiling face, weeping heart. Smiling face but heart is weeping. Weeping means crying. That means in pain. You know, like the movie we saw last week. Because in that movie also, there was a character, there was a circus clown, circus joker, who was always putting on his comic act, who was making others laugh. But meanwhile, inside he was having a very bad situation. He was having a very rotten time. Or is it just your brave act, smiling face, weeping heart? You know, like the movie we saw last week about the circus clown, how he was putting on his comic act while he was really having a rotten time. The clown in that movie was having a bad time, but he was keeping up, laughing, cheering, and making others laugh. So are you acting like him? Are you acting pretending to be happy? That was a movie, a Hindi movie. You mustn't be snobbish, Brit. So you must not be that, you can say arrogant, You can't be arrogant. That only you aren't big enough yourself. Oh God, I didn't mean big enough. I am really sorry. He lifted me carefully onto his lap. After this conversation happens, that Sam, that uncle, lifts the boy and makes him sit on his lap. Lap means गोदी पे बिठाते हैं. I was always sitting on people's lap. Always I used to sit on people's lap. At the movies, when a tall bald man or a fat fuzzy haired lady took the seat in front of mine. When a tall bald, जब कोई लंबा टकला, bald means टकला, okay. When having no heads, okay. When a tall man used to sit in front of my seat, or when a fat fuzzy haired lady took the seat. So I had to sit on someone's lap so that I can watch the movie. So I have always been sitting on others' lap. Even in the car, in the motor car, so that I could see the passing view at the parties. Even in the car, I used to sit on the lap so that I could look at the scene outside the car. And even in the parties where there was a shortage of chairs, when there was a shortage of chairs, then too I had to sit on the lap. Okay. Happy, said Sam. After everything you have been through, after knowing what life's going to be like, are you still happy even after you know that how my life has become and how it is going to be in the future? Okay, at this condition of yours also you are feeling happy. I was squirming like a puppy in his arms. Squirming here means twisting the body, twisting from side to side because you are not feeling comfortable. Because of the discomfort, you are moving your body somewhat. You are moving your body from side to side. Okay, I was squirming like a puppy in his arms. Means I was like a little puppy who's not comfortable. I was squirming. मैं हिल रहा था. No one likes being asked things like that. किसी को भी ऐसी बातें ज़्यादा पूछना अच्छा, पूछताछ अच्छी नहीं लगती. What do you see in your crystal ball? I asked. What do you see in your crystal ball? Crystal ball means the ball which shows the future. Okay, so here it is say, what do you think your future will be? आपको क्या लगता है what will be your future? What can you see in your future? Well, he said, and his eyes were sad as death. Fractures for a few more years. Then I suppose you'll study, but you won't get a job. You know it's very tough getting a job these days. I see the young boys who come to the bank with their applications. Some of them are MAs and they are healthy and good looking. They are trying for a job that will pay them 800 rupees a month. And they don't even get that. Are you happy in spite of everything? Only the pain you have been through should put you off for the life forever. Well, he said, and his eyes were sad as death fractures. He said, and after that, his eyes were having very pain. Okay. And the fractures for a few more years. That boy was having fracture, he was handicapped, okay, and he couldn't walk, he couldn't run, he couldn't do the things by his own. So he had fractures for a few more years. Then I suppose you will study. उसके बाद आप पढ़ोगे fractures. आप थोड़ा अच्छी कंडीशन में आओ उसके बाद आप पढ़ोगे. Then you want to get a job. But you know it is very tough getting a job these days. It's not easy. I see the young boys who are coming at the bank with their application. वो अपनी एप्लीकेशन लेके आते हैं बैंक में, ओके, जॉब एप्लीकेशन, और अप्लाई करते हैं जॉब के लिए. बट दे आर नॉट गेटिंग जॉब. Okay, some of them have MAs. MA is a degree. Okay, some of them have MAs and they are healthy, good looking, and very charming personality, but they are not easily getting job. They are trying for a job that will pay them 800 rupees a month. Okay, that is the salary, monthly salary, 800 rupees, for which they are trying to get the job and they are not getting even that. Are you happy in spite of everything? फिर भी आप खुश हो? आप ये सब आपका फ्यूचर ऐसा होगा फिर भी आप खुश हो? Only the pain you have been through should put you off life forever. This doesn't sound like discouragement, does it? Sarah and I love hanging you around, whatever you are. I just hope you aren't running away. This doesn't sound like discouragement, and even if it is sounding, Sarah and I means that one woman, family member, aunt or grandmother, and I love having you. Okay, we like that you are in our life, and whatever your condition is right now, I just hope you aren't running away. जैसा भी आपका कंडीशन है, जैसी भी आपकी अभी सिचुएशन है, but we like that you should be with us. Okay, I just hope you aren't running away. I don't think so you should run away from this. I can't run, remember? I can't. Means he is saying that run away from that condition, but that man is saying in another way, in implied meaning, in a different way, and the boy is taking it as is replying in a very humorous way that I can't run. Okay, smarty pants, yeah, you are smart. Okay, I don't want you to escape from what you are. अभी आप जैसे भी हो, I don't want that you should run away. You should neglect that thing and just, it's no use pretending and pretend to be something else which you are not. So I don't want you to become a fake person, become showing a fake emotion. Okay, so I don't want you to be pretending. If you are pretending, then everything's alright, because it isn't. If you are just doing a drama that everything is fine, everything is good, then please don't do drama. Please don't pretend. We know what is your condition and we accept it. We don't have any complaint, and we don't it's not that because of your this condition we are not liking you. So don't pretend. Did he have to remind me? क्या उनको मुझे याद करवाने की ज़रूरत है? ऐसा ब्रिट सोच रहा है. Did he had to remind me? I know he meant it kindly. Here you have to do the correction. I know he meant it kindly. मुझे पता है कि वो तो मुझे दया, sympathy दिखाने के लिए बोल रहे थे. He was saying it very kindly. But did he really believe I thought everything was all right? Did he really believe कि मैं ऐसा ही सोच रहा हूँ कि everything is all right? When everything meant something like playing cards, slamming my way to victory, gathering the cards, bending to pick up one that had fallen on the floor, staying bent because I had broken a thigh bone and couldn't move, not because of the pain, but because of the terror, worse than facing a murderer with a blood-stained knife. In this paragraph, he says, the boy expresses that he had pain, okay, when everything meant something like this: playing cards, slamming my way to victory, gathering the cards, bending to pick up one that had fallen on the floor, staying bent because I had broken a thigh bone and couldn't move, not because of the pain, but because of the terror, worse than facing a murderer with a blood-stained knife. He says that Does my father Sam, okay, Sam is the father of Brit, does he had to remind him that he is not alright? I know he is kindly saying it, but he really thought that everything was alright when everything meant something like playing cards, slamming my way to victory, means to try to grow, try to develop something, okay, try to do something great. Gathering the cards, bending down to pick up one that has fallen down on the, means the card which is fallen on the floor. Brit tries to pick it up, okay, staying bent because I have broken a thigh bone. He had broken his thigh bone, okay, so he had to stay bent, okay, सीधा नहीं वो हो सकते थे तब. Couldn't move, not because of the pain की वजह से इतना वो नहीं होता था, but because of the fear, because of the terror, worse than facing a murderer with a blood-stained knife. And that fear was more bad than facing a killer with a blood-stained knife. Bone deep fear stays. That fear is very deep. That much deep that it seems that it could go in it at my bone. Okay, that fear he is having of the pain, as if that murderer had dipped his knife. The pain is such, उनको इतना डर लगता है, ऐसा लगता है, ऐसा इमेजिनेशन किया है कि वो ऐसा फियर, ऐसा टेरर, ऐसा पेन था कि इट इज़ जस्ट एज द मर्डरर हैज़ डिप्ड, हैज़ इंसर्टेड हिज नाइफ इनटू माय ब्लड. ओके, उन्होंने डाला है और मेरे ब्लड में वो नाइफ गया है. अगेन विदाउट बॉदरिंग टू फिनिश मी ऑफ, अगेन विदाउट बॉदरिंग टू फिनिश मी ऑफ, मतलब मुझे किल नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट ही हैज़ इंसर्टेड द नाइफ. एंड आई वुड ड्रैग माई सेल्फ, एंड आई एम full of fear, and I am dragging myself, pulling myself away. Okay, I would drag myself through the tent of the pain, saying 4 times worse than anyone else. 4 गुना ज़्यादा, किसी और की पेन, किसी और वजह से पेन से 4 गुना ज़्यादा तब मुझे पेन होता है, ऐसा इमेजिन करके. मे बी दिस टाइम इट विल किल मी, मे बी, ओके, शायद अब मुझे मार दे. इट इज़ अ कंडीशन वेयर someone is not killing you, but that thing is killing you inside, harassing you. It is very fearful and painful. Then I had cried for thinking that way. Thinking, here there is a correction, thinking that way, because it was futile, because that all the things were futile. Okay, that dragging of myself was also futile, because this boy Brit is facing bone breakdown, right? So here we have completed the first part of this chapter, in which we have studied that there is a boy named Brit. Brit is his name, which is because of brittle bones. Brittle, short form Brit. एक लड़का है छोटा जिसका नाम ब्रिट है, ओके, which is incapable of walking, running and any physical activity, because he has fractures and he has weak bones. Okay, so he is dealing with a disease of bones. उसको एक बीमारी है जिसमें उसके bones strong नहीं है. Okay, and his growth is not happening. उसका growth भी इतना उसके age जितना नहीं हो रहा है. So this is a serious disease of bones. Okay, and because of this disease उसको बार बार fractures भी होते हैं. Okay, and due to which his father Sam is really concerned about him. Sam उसके dad, उसका father, वो बहुत ही concerned होते हैं and makes things to cure him. He tries to cure him by doing all the medication and everything. Meanwhile, he tells him that these days it is very tough to get a job and you are on wheelchair and your life is going to be this. So don't discourage. Sarah, your mother, and I are love having you around. And after that boy is having he doesn't have much to do. Okay, he studies, he plays cards and does all that activities, but he can't even do his daily routine work. Okay, daily routine things he can't do by himself. So he is passing his days like this. It is very painful. Okay, and he feels he has a fear which is compared, that fear, that pain is compared to a murderer who is just inserting the knife but not killing. Okay, and he thinks that even dragging myself from this is futile, it is not useful. Okay, this is very sad story of this boy Brit, but let's see what happens in the further story in the next part. Till then, read the story from your text. Okay, bye. Take care.